Review of my full book, Secret of Religions, True Ancient Hidden Evidence of Religious Origins. And I'm just giving you a brief overview. Damn, it's not letting me easily scroll up. But so Yah is, I mean, I've covered this dozens of times in not just my videos, but my full Symbols of Power series. But you're not going to understand this, you know, just from the surface level. And yes, I mean, these full books and presentations, I mean, they are restricted to my patrons only, and for good reason, because I haven't published them, you know, as full public, you know, books yet, but I plan to. So that's why I have, you know, for now I've locked them for my patrons only, because I mean, it's very deep and extensive work. But so the archetypal equivalence of Yah comes from the various epithets of Yah, 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 Jah.
I don't know. I don't believe in possession. Jah feel?
Jah feel. Jah definitely feel.
El Yah, Ea, Eloah, Ella. Yow, yeah, year, Yahoo, Yahoo. All roots of Yah are celestial in origin, from ancient Egyptian Yah, transliterated as Yah, Jah, Yah, or Yo as Yah, is a lunar deity in ancient Egyptian religion. His name simply means moon, equivalent of Thoth Khonsu, which again is the lunar deity, the lunar god, Thoth Khonsu Yah. Egyptian moon god called Ea. Yah, or Yah, is the moon. Egyptian moon god is the Yah, it became Yahweh from Yah, the moon god in Coptic ancient Egypt. This one, I believe, is from Ralph Ellis, from his book Tempest and Exodus. The ancient Egyptian moon god Yahweh, and Yahweh legitimately comes from the ancient Semitic storm god. From the ancient Mesopotamian storm god. He was equivalent of Thor, of Zeus, of Jupiter, of Jesus, of the earth and the storm god, the god of the volcanic storms, but also equivalent of the moon god. His name is Yah. Jeremiah, Obadiah, Ishaiah. The god Jah, or Yah, hallelujah, which literally means praise Yah, which literally means praise the moon god Yah. Praise Yah, Yahovah, Yahweh, the growing moon, the aspects of the moon, Asherah, Ugaritic El, all of these Sumerian and Mesopotamian archetypes and epithets. I mean, but it goes so much deeper. But there's just a brief, free overview lesson of what I mean, because I know everybody's gonna bitch and piss and complain that, you know, these books are you know, set to private patrons only settings on my page. But I mean, that's why. It's because they're full, huge, entire ebooks that are not yet published publicly. But it's praise Yah, Hallelujah, which literally means hey Yah. Hey Yah, hey Yah. Equivalent of hey, which means yo, lo, behold. Hey Yah, praise the moon god, praise Yah. To Yah from Egyptian Kaaba, the Ka and the Ba, which is the two hands of why we praise when we kick a field goal. It's good. Deity Shu, the god of air, who holds up Nut into the sky, and which mates with the earth. Jeb, the god of the earth. And so the sky mates with the ground, mates with the earth. And this is why you bust your nut. And this is why there is the hieroglyphic emphasis. holding up of shoe, emphasizing particularly the breast and the vagina. Touchdown! Praise! Hey!
And so this is exactly why so many of the indigenous, especially Native American folk songs literally are almost entirely composed of nothing but these same root phonemes, such hey oh hey oh hey oh hey oh hey
Your Yah, it literally is transliterated as the year. It's the Yah year. The cycles of the moon. Equivalent of Allah. Yah is the moon. Praise the moon. Praise, it's all astrotheology. And so again, my name is Cullen Smith. This is Lifting the Veil. You can find all of my full books, presentations, videos, films, articles, posts at patreon.com/liftingtheveil. And there is also a ton of exclusive content, and I will leave the cited reference links in the description down below. So you can check that out for all of my full content, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned, make sure to subscribe. Please help me reach more people by sharing these videos around on the internet, because I rely solely on word of mouth, and the recommended algorithms are not recommending any of my videos or films anymore. My channel has literally been completely restricted, so I rely on your help, and I need your help. So please help support this channel by sharing my work around if you appreciate it, and make sure to subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, and leave me your comments. I definitely want to know what you have to share and what you have to think about all of this stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Y'all stay safe and take care of yourselves, and I will see you later.